Hey, to add event to calendar on the Samsung Galaxy S24 or S24 Plus, all you have to do is just open the app drawer and now open your calendar. And then from this, you will have to click on this plus icon. And as you can see, first we have to set the title. Then we can also add emojis, like for example, this one. And we can also click right here to change the color of this event. Then we can pick the date. So we can pick, for example, like next week. There we go, next Monday. From here we can also add location. So we can select the location from map or get our current location by clicking just right here. Or we can also use search. So you can decide. Then when you pick it, okay, for some reason it is not working for me. Okay, right now it is working. And now we can also share this with our family or only with us. Next we can get the repeat. So 10 minutes before this one will get alert. From here we can set the repeat. So we can get the repeat every day, week, month and year. From here we can add some notes. You can get the video conference, attach some other things, and after this you can just click save. And as you can see, this event is visible just right here. So you can simply click on it and open. And that's all. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.